Hi, this is Wil Ray, team leader of the Gathering Team, where together we find home. Now, one of the biggest problems when it comes to expired or withdrawn listings is that they were not marketed to the right buyers. And we hear this all the time from clients that they just did not feel as though their previous agent was attracting the right buyer or a qualified buyer for their specific home. And this is especially true for a luxury property. Well, we're here to tell you that we make sure that your property is in front of the right buyers where they are shopping for homes similar to yours. An example of this would be if you have a luxury property. Well, we're going to make sure that your home is going to be listed on the Wall Street Journal. We're going to make sure that your home is listed with Robb Report, DuPont Registry, New York Times, Mansions Global, all of those different sites where luxury home buyers are performing home searches. If you're not putting your fishing pole in the right place to catch the right kind of fish, you're wasting a lot of time, money, and effort. We are very targeted and we're very specific with our approach in terms of marketing to the right buyer. Another example of this may be if you have a waterfront or a mountain front home. We want to make sure that those folks who are looking for waterfront or lakefront homes have the opportunity to see your house. Sometimes this could even be by making sure the description on places like Zillow and Realtor.com are prevalent enough so that people can find it via keyword search. Or it could be something as simple as making sure that we get your property listed on other ancillary search sites such as lakehomes.com. All of these things are very important to ensure that we're attracting the right buyer for your home. If you'd like to set up a consultation with us to learn more about our full marketing plan for your specific home, feel free to reach out. Our contact number is 864-720-4233. We look forward to hearing from you soon.